Natural ways to get rid of blackheads and whiteheads fast. Clear and beautiful skin is one of the main elements of a person's beauty. One sure way to have healthy and picture-perfect skin is to take care of it every day. We have compiled a list of the best remedies that will help you to naturally remove blackheads and whiteheads from your nose and face. Remedy number 1. To make this mixture, we need oatmeal, honey, yogurt and olive oil. Place 1/4 cup of oatmeal, 2 teaspoons of yogurt, 2 teaspoons of honey and 2 teaspoons of olive oil in a food processor and blend until well combined. Apply the mixture to your clean face, scrubbing in a circular motion for 1 to 2 minutes. Then wash off with warm water. If you have extremely sensitive skin that seems to be irritated by scrubbing, don't scrub, just use the mixture as a facial mask and leave it on your skin for about 5 to 7 minutes. Use this trick once or twice a week. Remedy number 2. To make this mixture, we need sugar, honey, olive oil and vanilla extract. Combine 1/4 cup of white sugar with 1/4 cup of brown sugar in a bowl and mix. Add 1/4 cup of olive oil and stir well. Then mix in 1 tablespoon of honey and half teaspoon of vanilla extract. Stir all the ingredients well until smooth and use this mixture to scrub any problem areas. Rinse off with warm water. Use this remedy once a week. Store in an airtight jar at room temperature. Do you know any other remedies to get rid of blackheads and whiteheads? Tell us in the comment section below. If you like our video, give it a thumbs up and share with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe our channel so you never miss any of our upcoming informative videos like this. Thanks for watching.